Well, go on, everybody. Lennox here from Simple123 Trader. This is the playbook recap for August 20th of the Wednesday, August 19th playbook that is sent out to all the members. So let's take a look at the recording from last night to see what was said. And I'll play a little snippet here. Here we go. And that bullish engulfing formed a 1-2-3 bottom, and we're pushing up, back up into a previous supply zone. Okay, so there are lots of orders sitting up here, lots of money sitting up here. So looks like price wants to come back up into that area before it turns around again. So let's take an even closer look on the 1 hour. Okay, now it's starting to show itself. So here we had 1, 2, 3, and then we gyrated in here and moved right out and up. So it looks like, again, that we're coming back into this area here. And we again can take a closer look to see exactly what's going to happen here. Okay, so let me do that. And we'll drop down to the 30 minutes just to get an even closer look. All right, so this drop pushed us up into this pattern, and at this point here we formed the 1-2-3 bottom. This is what we are looking for, and then we shot out of there. Okay, so now we have this move and this move, and are we done at this point? We're back at resistance. We could certainly be done, or we could have one last push that will take us back up into this area. It's an area, of course, so we could come back right up into this area before we get our 1, 2, 3 like this, but upside down, coming back down. Okay, so at this point in time, this is on the 30, looking like the US dollar has a little bit of strength to the upside, at least in the short term. So we're dropping to the 15, take an even closer look at this. All right, now we can really see this. Drop to this level, up, down, up, down. There's our 1, 2, 3. Up to this level, down, and now it looks like we're going to, now you can see our structure. We should be heading up one more time, breaking this level, and then we'll be looking for a top. Okay, but right now, strength in the US dollar going into the London Open session tonight. Okay, so that was a replay of the little portion of the playbook on the US dollar futures index and what I saw was setting up. So let's see how it panned out here. Let me go to, okay, let's go to the US dollar, and I'll go from the 4-hour time frame. Okay, and this is what we were looking at, this move. We were sitting right up in here last night, dropped down to the 1-hour time frame, and again, it's what we were looking at here, that movement up to this level. We were sitting right here. Expectation was for a push up into this area and then a retrace. And this is what has transpired. Drop to the 15-minute, and we'll get to really see this now. Okay, so again, the entire structure was this move. This is what we look for. Then this push. So last night we were sitting right at this area here. Expected move was to the upside, and then an eventual turn from that move back down. And this is what has again occurred. So we are looking for that. That's the move that we were looking for after the move to the upside. So that's the pattern playing out, and so that gave us some opportunities in the major pairs, although further on in the playbook, I told the members that they had to be cautious because this move was very close to the resistance area, so there wasn't much room there to make any pips. So what we were really looking for was the turnaround plays on the major pairs. So for example, Aussie US dollar, what we're really looking for is not this move from to last night, but the move going back up, because this is one that's going to pay dividends in pips. Another good example would be GBP US dollar. This one, not this move to the downside last night, but we were looking for the turnaround play to the upside. So those were the kind of setups that we looked at in the playbook. All right, so that's a little snippet of last night's playbook. Profitable trading to everyone. Be safe. We're done now. Thank you.